On your daily feed, on January 26, 1962, NASA launched Ranger 3, an early robotic spacecraft designed to study the moon and gather critical data for future human missions. Ranger 3 was part of NASA's Ranger program, which aimed to transmit close-up images of the lunar surface before intentionally impacting the moon. The spacecraft was equipped with scientific instruments, including television cameras, a seismometer capsule, and radiation detectors. Its primary goal was to crash into the moon and deploy the seismometer, which would transmit data back to Earth to help scientists understand lunar composition and seismic activity. These missions were essential steps in preparing for the Apollo program later in the decade. However, Ranger 3 did not achieve its intended objectives. A malfunction in the spacecraft's guidance system caused it to miss the moon by more than 22,000 miles, sending it into an orbit around the sun. Despite the failure, Ranger 3 still transmitted valuable data on cosmic radiation and space conditions during its journey, contributing to NASA's growing understanding of spaceflight challenges. At the time, the Ranger missions faced intense pressure, as the United States was racing the Soviet Union during the space race. Early failures highlighted the technical difficulties of space exploration and underscored the need for improved engineering and testing. Lessons learned from Ranger 3 and other early missions directly influenced later successes. Subsequent Ranger missions eventually succeeded, providing the first detailed images of the moon and paving the way for safe lunar landings. Ranger 3's launch remains an important moment in space history, representing both the ambition and trial and error nature of early space exploration. That's today on your daily feed. Follow for more.